What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how you can create a heat map in Excel by using conditional formatting. So here we have an example of a bunch of numbers that range from 0 to 100. And to create a heat map, first we have to highlight the range. So Shift Control down arrow and right arrow. Then go to the Home tab. Under the Styles bar, there is conditional formatting option. Then go down towards this color scales, and usually the first two options are the best for this. So selecting the first option, it assumes that green is the highest values and red is the lowest values, with the yellows being in the middle. Highlighting the range again, going to conditional formatting, color sets, and now selecting the second option. It has the same kind of concept, except that it assumes that red are the highest values and green are the lowest values, with yellows being in the middle. Now, with that being said, there are a lot of ways that you can actually customize this. So, highlighting this range again, going to conditional formatting, and then new rule. And here you can see it allows us to change the way that it's formatted. So for example, we can say it is a 3-color scale, and we can, for example, change the color that the lowest color is. So if you wanted to have it be based on company colors, for example, let's just say blue and maybe red as just as an example, you can change when where the midpoint is at. So for example, if you wanted to have a formula to determine what the color it should be, or if you wanted to just have a number, so let's just say the number was 45 for this example, or you can even have it be a percentile. So, and you can also change these as well. So you can say you want the heat scale to be have the lowest value be of a certain percentage, or have a formula or number. For example, so for example, for this number we're going to have 45, and then just click OK. And as you can see, it changed quite drastically. So with that being said, I really hope that you all found this tutorial to be helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And please like and subscribe, as any support is extremely helpful. And I hope you all have a great day.